What's up, superstars? On today's video, we're going to be checking out this awesome image that we generated from Midjourney AI, and we're going to be literally bringing it to life with DTF. Now, this artwork technically can be printed as is, but it's going to feel a little bit heavy and not as breathable on a shirt. So in this video, we're going to be pushing DTF to the limit and prepping this artwork to be DTF printable using halftones and a black knockout effect. You won't believe how this transfer will turn out after the artwork process. So the challenge with the black knockout effect is the image is dark and it has lots of grays, but there isn't a lot of black to knock out. So our goal is to take out as much as possible while preserving as much of the important details as well. Now let's take a closer look at the artwork. I know some of you commented on some of the artwork prompts, so if you're curious to know the Midjourney AI prompt, this one is a glowing red and pitch black Alexander archipelago wolf made of fire with big fur mad of molten lava with glowing red eyes, seen as in rocky mountains in full body, smoke all around the wolf body in the style of digital art with ultra detailed illustrations in the style of Dazed with hyper realistic water, 8K resolution, high quality.
Hi guys, so we have another artwork right here. Let's take a look at this artwork. It is a realistic piece, but its quality isn't that great. So what we'll do is open up the Upscaling application and drag the file right here, then just click on Upscale. This process might take a while depending on the size and quality of the artwork, so we'll have to wait until it's finished. And there it is. It looks a lot cleaner and sharper than the original artwork. Let's take a closer look side by side and see the difference. This might still be 72 dpi, but the file is a lot larger now, which means it has a lot of pixels. So we'll just have to convert it to 300 dpi and resize it appropriately. So the next thing we'll need to do is make a duplicate of the original artwork to keep it non-destructive. You can do this by right-clicking and selecting Duplicate Layer, or by using Ctrl-J on Windows or Command-J on Mac. Then make another copy by right-clicking, but this time select New as the destination to drag it to another document. Now, on the new document, we'll turn this one into grayscale and adjust its curves and levels according to your preference. I want a lot more whites to show so that not a lot of details will be lost. Now go to Image, Mode, then Bitmap. Click Yes to flatten layers, then make sure the output is set to 300 pixels. Select Halftone Screen, set the frequency to 35 and the angle to 22 degrees, then finally press OK. Now let's take a look at our artwork, which has been halftoned. I am pretty satisfied with how it turned out. So let's go ahead and copy it by pressing Ctrl-A on Windows or Command-A on Mac to select. Then Ctrl-C or Command-C to copy. Now let's create a layer mask on our original document. Then paste the copied halftone effect right here by pressing Alt and left-clicking on the mask layer, and then Ctrl-V to paste it. One last thing we'll need to do is go to Filter, Other than Minimum, and set it to 0.5, then press OK. Now, let's add a dark solid background to the artwork to see how it would look like on a shirt. Once we're satisfied, let's go ahead and save it.
Alright guys, we got the artwork printed, but before we dive in, if you're on the hunt for a reliable DTF supplier or not quite satisfied with your current one, be sure to check us out. Our link is right there in the description down below. We specialize in crafting custom DTF transfers for clothing and UV stickers for hard surfaces. Our commitment lies in providing dependable service, top tier quality, swift delivery, and more vibrant color options. Now, let's go to get into the print. So this is how it looks. You can tell we definitely took a lot of the black out. This is the original image. I know you can't really tell as much, but flipping it over, you can see how much we took out, all the halftones we did. Flipping this one over, you can see how solid this image is. So I think we did really good. All right, let's see this on a shirt. For our blank tees, we have a US blank side seam, extra large black short sleeve crew t-shirt. The model number we're gonna be using is a US 2000. It is a 4.3 ounce shirt. This shirt comes in an extra small all the way to a 3XL. It is a relaxed retail fashion fit. If you're considered buying blanks made in the US, I will drop a link down below if you guys wanna check them out, okay? All right, let's get on to the press. So our fan favorite, we're gonna be using our Heatmaster Prisma. Our 16 by 20 layout makes it perfect for any shirt, as well as also to thread it and have a 10-inch pullout. Makes it absolutely accessible and allows me to have a little bit more room without really burning myself. All right, let's get into the press. First, we're just gonna pull this out so we can thread our shirt. To everything's in the middle, making sure it's easy passage through too as well. When I slide it through, everything's good. Awesome. With our prints, you could just basically peel it right off, and then you're gonna put it right back on. All right, this is how it came out. Feels nice. It literally feels more of the shirt than actually feeling the graphic at all, but it looks good. It came out really good. Now let's take a closer look. Okay, just want to check out all the edges. See how everything came out. We did really well in taking a lot of the black out, as well as also, if you can see, those little tiny dots of dark is what we also took out of the graphic. But we did good. We did good. I think it really came out well. All right. All right. There you guys have it. Let me know what you guys think. Personally, I thought it came out great, very breathable while still capturing as much detail as what you saw in the original transfer. For the giveaway, in the comments, let me know if you guys are using any AI image generator and which one's your favorite. Also, would you guys like to learn more about setting up an AI in future tutorials? Lastly, let us know where you're from in the comments below. I trust this video has provided you guys with additional resources to develop your brand, and it's important to recognize that you can rely on us as your supplier for DTF. Feel free to explore the link down below to learn more about what we offer. Please like and subscribe to make more videos like this. I'll catch you guys up on the next one.